Go-to-market, market and competitive intelligence, and product design teams need ways to stay on the same page, and they need tools to collaborate within their existing flow of work. Cronycle is a platform for discovering, harvesting, and sense-making for these teams, letting them extract and share insights across functions and tools. Within Cronycle, boards offer a centralized location for saving, organizing, and processing content, so that information shared across the flow of work isn't lost or forgotten. This video is intended to help you understand how easy it is to save a wide range of content to Cronycle boards, whether you are working alone or as part of a team. Create a board. What is a board? A board allows you to organize information based on topics, audiences, competitors, and even market segments. To create a new board in Cronycle, in the Boards tab, click on Create a Board. Give the board a name, and click on Create Board to confirm. Your board is now ready for you to save articles, posts, files, images, videos, notes, discussions, and more. There are many ways to add this content to your board. Let's take a look at them. Pin from a Cronycle feed. Cronycle feeds are where you can filter and monitor content from millions of sources, letting you stay ahead of trends and developments in your industry. We've made it very efficient for you to save the content that you find to your boards and to quickly start extracting insights from that content. Simply click the pin icon for an article, video, tweet, or email, then select the board to save it to. Nearly instantly, you'll see a preview of the content you just pinned and an updated pin count. Without navigating to the board, you can begin organizing and adding your own perspective to the content you find with tags, summaries, comments, and more. Here's a tip. Start by organizing and enriching pinned content from the board preview while your thoughts and insights are still fresh in your mind. You can always modify it later from within the board. You also have the option to open the content in a new tab and begin annotating it. This is only possible from the copy saved to the board. Annotations are extremely useful for highlighting and extracting your insights. Here's another tip. In some cases, a feed consistently produces pins that go to the same board. If that's the case, go to Feed Settings and select Default Board. Pick the board that you want all of the pins from this feed to go to by default. Once configured, pinning content from this feed will only require a single click. Clip with the browser extension. Cronycle offers the Content Clipper as a great way to save online content from your Chrome, Edge, or Safari browser, even when you don't have the Cronycle app open. Using the Clipper, you're able to easily grab content behind logins and paywalls by saving a copy of the content visible on the page, including embedded PDFs and videos. To get started with the Web Clipper, go to the Chrome Web Store if you are using Chrome or Edge, or to the Apple Store. In either store, search for Cronycle and then install the Clipper extension. Make sure to add the Clipper icon to the browser toolbar. The first time you use the Clipper, you'll need to log into your Cronycle account. Now that you are ready to use the Clipper, go to a page with content that you would like to save. Click on the Clipper pin icon in the menu, and then select the board to save it to. Before confirming, you can also add tags and a comment. When ready, click Save. You can then go to the board and see the item you saved right at the top. Occasionally, there is a delay of a few seconds. Simply click the refresh icon on your board to load the new content. Add or paste a link. If you have a link to content on a public page, copy the URL to your clipboard. Click once in the light gray zone and use Ctrl-V to paste it into your Cronycle board. The content loads shortly after as an article or a tweet. If the action fails, a note is created with the URL instead. Alternatively, you can click on Add Content, then choose Link. Paste the link in the text box and click Post. Collect PDFs and other files. You can upload files, including PDFs, from your computer to your boards. This is extremely useful for collecting reports, manuals, series of images, and internal documents into a single knowledge base. You can even annotate PDFs. There are 3 methods for uploading a file. You can drag and drop one or several files onto the gray zone of the board. Alternatively, you can copy the file on your computer, open the board you wish to add it to, click once in the light gray zone, and use Ctrl-V to paste it onto your Cronycle board. The last option is to click Add Content. Then choose File, click on the Browse button, select the correct file, and confirm. In all 3 cases, a window appears with the options to add a title, a summary, and tags. All of these are optional. When ready, click on Upload File. In the case of a PDF, the title, body, and images are extracted and converted to annotate in the Cronycle Reader, making it possible to extract insights. The original PDF is just a click away. For other common types of files, such as PNGs, JPEGs, PowerPoints, and Word documents, an integrated preview is available. Less common file types can also be uploaded, but won't be rendered in the viewer. Collect images. Images that are not files can also be saved, such as charts extracted from PDF reports, visual inspiration from online magazines, and graphs and applications. First, view the image you want to save, zooming in to see the details if needed. Then take a screenshot using the option to save it to your clipboard. Now, go to your Cronycle board, click once in the light gray zone, and use Ctrl-V to paste it onto your Cronycle board. You can add a title, summary, and tags to your images. When ready, click Upload File. Paste or write notes. It's also possible to add plain and rich text to your Cronycle boards using notes. For example, you could draft a portion of a newsletter or a blog post, write a research brief for your team, prepare a battle card, analyze recent news, or simply record your ideas. If the text already exists elsewhere, copy it to the clipboard. Go to the board, click once in the light gray area, and use Ctrl-V to paste it onto your Cronycle board. If you are starting from a blank page, click on Add Content, then choose Note. Start writing and highlighting text you wish to format. You can also add a title. Remember to click Post when you are done. In either case, a note tile appears shortly after you post. From the tile, you can add a title, edit, or open the note. The reader offers a larger viewing area to read the note, or switch to edit mode to modify and format. Save from anywhere with the iOS app. Cronycle offers an application for iPhones and iPads that allows you to monitor your feeds and collect content no matter where you are. As with the web application, use the Pin button in your feed to save an item to your boards. With the iOS Share option, it's easy to save content discovered in other apps too, including from your browser and even your camera. The content appears after you refresh or open your board. The same content is also visible in the web application. Work together as a team. Many teams lack a hub where they can save, collaborate, and discuss content. Cronycle lets you collect content and insights to boards as a team. Collaborators are available with an enterprise plan. If you are interested in collaboration features, contact us to get your team set up with an enterprise account. To start adding collaborators, click on the Users icon in the Board menu. Next, from the side panel, click on Add Users. Select As Collaborators to give these users the permissions to add and modify content on the board. Select one or several members from your organization and click Add. Admin users can also invite new members to your organization. Once there is a team on a board, you can comment and tag others. Use the @ sign plus the username to trigger notifications. Notification preferences are set in each board's settings. As you can see, saving to boards is much more powerful than just bookmarking, and a great way to develop a collective knowledge base for you and your team. We hope you've enjoyed this video on collecting market intelligence using Cronycle boards. Go to the tutorials page on our website to find other tutorial videos, such as using filters effectively to reduce noise. If you have questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to contact us. If you found this video helpful, please share it with other Cronycle users or with others looking for an efficient way to discover, harvest, and share important content and intelligence.